Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see chat history in Cursor AI. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Now we are here in the editor of Cursor AI. So you can go it back to the Cursor agent, and right here repositories you will see basically the whole history of your conversation. Now if you are in editing mode, you don't want to jump there, so you don't have open this window. What you can do is head over here to the top right corner next to the open cursor settings. You will see toggle agent, so click on that. You can use Ctrl Alt J, and right here at the right side now will open up this window, and from here you can see your history basically. So I have just one conversation here, as you can see, and yeah, this is pretty much it. If you have a bunch of them, you can select from them right here, and it will open up this window like that, and you will see uh, what is going on in every conversation. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.